What's up, everybody? Matt Steinman here. Super excited to have you here today. We are going to answer, well, I should say, I am going to answer the question, what is ClickFunnels? So I'm going to try and run through this pretty quickly just to kind of give you a high level overview. There'll be a couple demos using ClickFunnels, and then at the end will be a free offer for you. So make sure you stick around to the end. So let's jump into it. So what if I told you that you could market, sell, and deliver your product or services online without relying on a tech team? Be pretty cool, right? You could probably save a couple thousand, a couple tens of thousands of dollars just relying on that tech team. So think about that. ClickFunnels makes it really stupid easy to create marketing funnels in minutes, and I'm going to show you that here in a few minutes with a quick demo. If you aren't familiar with a sales funnel, you see on the left-hand side is a traditional website. On the right-hand side is the sales funnel that I am talking about. So traditional websites, you drive traffic from Facebook, YouTube, any social media site. They land on your website. They see a ton of different stuff. Your logo, your navigation, there's 20 different things to click on. There's content, there's news. There's stuff everywhere. They get confused and they eventually end up leaving. They run into a brick wall, and you can see that sad guy down there on the left-hand side underneath the website. He looks pretty angry. On the right-hand side, however, we have a sales funnel where we are still driving traffic from all the social media sites, but we lead them down and ascend them into client. So we lead them with a lead capture. There's a sales process after that. They turn into prospects. They turn into customers after that with an order and an upsell or a one-time offer. And then they eventually turn into clients. So hopefully lifelong clients. And you get reoccurring money from them. So if some of those things don't make sense to you, just kind of have an idea of the concept of a sales funnel. So ClickFunnels is basically the one-stop funnel creation system. You can use it to create high-converting funnels, use it to generate leads, increase sales for your products and services. There's one-click upsells, drag-and-drop page editor, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. There's a shopping cart, a membership site, and so much more. So it's more than just a software. It's built around kind of a community of like-minded entrepreneurs and small business owners. They all want you to succeed. There's a yearly event called Funnel Hacking Live, where people gather, probably 4,000 or 5,000 people. It's been growing every year, and they try and change the world. And there are some awards given out, which kind of helps you and kind of pushes you to accomplish some of those things. There's some elite entrepreneurs into the 2 Comma Club, which is basically $1 million or more in a single funnel. So a lot of things to look for than, more than just using the tool, the software itself. It's built around a community of entrepreneurs that want you to succeed. So there's 3 main reasons to create a funnel. Your business or whatever you are in, you want to generate leads. You want to generate sales, or you want to run some kind of event, whether it's online like a webinar, or if it's offline like an event where you physically have to be there. So there's two ways to generate the leads. There's email or messenger, and the main goal here is to capture an email address and build a list so you can continue to market to those people and create a relationship with them. The second way is a long form application. The goal there is to collect a little bit more information outside of just the email address. You might want their phone number so you can reach out to them, or other detailed information about the lead that will help you eventually sell to them. There's 3 ways to generate sales. So inside ClickFunnels, there's a two-step tripwire. And again, if you don't know what any of this is, it's more of a high-level overview just to kind of get your mind going in that direction of a sales funnel. So A two-step tripwire is for lower priced products, like a $47 or a $97, and then they use a one-click upsell to generate a little bit more of a profit. There's also sales or video sales letters. This is for products and services that might require a little more explanation as to what you're selling. And the third is a product launch. So it's kind of used to build up excitement around a product launch, a couple of weeks prior to launching a product or, your service. So there's two ways to run an online event. So we're just going to talk about online right now because these webinars are pretty hot right now. There's a live webinar. You can use ClickFunnels to use ClickFunnels as a registration process and increase conversions and sales to that webinar. There's also, you can run evergreen webinars, which is basically repurposing the live webinars and, using a funnel to get people into that webinar as well. So right now I'm going to jump into ClickFunnels itself, and we're just going to show you quickly how to pick a funnel. So let's jump in here. So this is ClickFunnels, the main dashboard. I'm just going to come up here and say add a new funnel. We're just going to use this classic funnel builder right here. So here's your three options. You want to collect emails, you want to sell your product, or you want to host a webinar. So just very quickly, we're just going to try and collect some emails here. So let's choose that. I'm going to say demo email funnel and say build funnel. And it's basically that easy. It's going to come to this screen here where you can pick a couple different templates. So this is your opt-in page and your thank you page. So these are the actual pages in the funnel, and you can drag these around if you want, switch them up. So as a email opt-in, there's all these different templates that are built for you. So let's just select this one really quick just so I can show you. Building your site for you. And here it is, built for you. You can go in and modify anything that you want, and we're going to jump into that shortly. So let's jump back into the slides here. So like I just covered, you can edit your funnel. There's just a drag and drop page editor there. So if you want to change around the order of different pages, you can. There's one-click upsells, basically to increase your cart value. Customers don't have to enter their payment information again. It's just one click. It's just a little checkbox. Very simple, very straightforward. Again, it's used to increase cart value. There's also order forms. It's some of them are a two-step order form, a one-step order form. Basically, it allows you to check out rather quickly. Helps you reduce cart abandonment. So if someone ends up adding something to their cart and abandoned it, it helps with reducing that. And again, it's to help increase profits. So build your funnel in minutes with the freedom to design them however you want. So you get those templates, and then you want to customize them to your brand, your products and services. So it allows you to customize the look and feel pretty easily. So let's jump back into ClickFunnels so I can just show you a couple things here. So I'm going to jump into this opt-in page here, and going to just change a few things out and just kind of show you how easy it is. This is the editor. So if I wanted to change this, I can come in here, double click it. I want to say supercharge this video, whatever it may be. And we can come here and click on this gear icon to give, you kind of have all these other custom options over here. There's fonts, there's font sizes, colors, all this different stuff over here. There's an advanced tab, line height, text shadows, padding. You can change any of that. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. It's drag and drop. So if I wanted to take this and drag it below here, we could. Probably doesn't make much sense to put that there, but we'll drag it back up here. Sometimes you have to mess around with this stuff. So if I wanted to change this image, we would just click on it. See this image here? We can either add a new image by uploading it or selecting one of our images that we already have. Cancel that real quick just to kind of show you some of the different things. There's button actions here, so we can set different actions on the button. We can submit a form. We can go to a new step in the funnel. We can go to a website URL. Just a lot of different options. So, if I wanted to change the background here, I could do that. Background color, let's say we want it, yeah, that's a good color. And then we would just save it, and that's it. Pretty simple, straightforward editor to use. At least I think so. So let's jump back into the presentation. See what's next here. So before you actually launch your funnel, it has a checklist to where you can run through everything, make sure everything is set up properly, set up your domain and stuff like that. It allows you to track your stats, earnings per click, what is your gross revenue, who's viewing this site, how many people opted in, what's my average cart value, stuff like that. So very useful information that you can use to, kind of enhance your funnel and make it better as you go on. So here's a lot of success stories. You can see why so many people are moving to ClickFunnels from either WordPress or they're using another lead generation system. A lot of people are having success with this. And this guy right here in the middle is actually part of the 1 Comma Club. That's the award that you get. So, are you next? Are you interested in ClickFunnels? Time is of the essence. I need you to take action today because the reward will come from actually doing something. If you just sit on this, nothing is going to happen. So there is a free 14-day trial, which there is a link down below in the right-hand corner of the presentation here that you can click on. There's pre-built funnels for you once you do sign up inside the trial, as you saw on the demo. And you can come and go as you please. So if you use it for a month, you can leave for a month. If you use it for 4 months, you can come back. There's a lot of different options. So everything you get today with your free trial, so you get the ClickFunnels, the funnel builder software, it's a almost $3,000 a year value. You get the Edison editor, which I didn't explain. That's a little bit more advanced. So that's the same simple page creation. I'm sorry, the editor is the drag and drop editor. So that's the page creation kind of that I showed you in the demo. So that's almost a $2,000 a year value. You also get Backpack and Actionetics, which is a little bit more advanced. Backpack is an affiliate system built in, and then Actionetics is the email autoresponder that's built into this system. In addition to those 4 things, you also get the 3 fast funnel templates. You get a VIP web class training. You get the Funnel Hackers Cookbook, which is the digital version for free. It's $149 value. You get the Funnel Cookbook 3-part video training for $149 value. And you get the ClickFunnels Facebook member community, which is 200,000 plus people and growing. So that is priceless. So you get all this, guys, for free. You can try it for 14 days. Takes less than 60 seconds to sign up. So the total value per year, $10,988 per year, and you can get started today for free. There's a 14-day trial. Click on that button right there to get started, and I look